241 King Street for a smoke alarm that has been going off in the residence. No smoke, no flame, and no symptoms. Once again, 241 King Street for a residential alarm going off. Time of the first page is 5:29. Attention North Huron Fire, Blyth Station, please respond at 241 King Street, cross streets of Morris Street and Mill Street for a residential smoke alarm going off. No smoke or flame or symptoms. Caller believes possibly due to low battery. Once again, 241 King Street. It's April 18th at 5:30. Please respond.
Fire dispatch, car 4.
Car 4, go ahead.
Page acknowledged for the Blyth station. Blyth station will respond shortly.
That's Roger, car 4, you're acknowledging page and Blyth will respond shortly at 5:30:51.
Fire dispatch, you can show car 3 responding.
That's Roger, car 3, you're responding at 5:33:31.
Fire dispatch, that was 241 King Street.
That's Roger, 241 King Street. It's just east of Mill Street.
Car 3's on scene. Car 3's about to make contact with homeowner.
That's Roger, car 3, you're on scene, about to make contact with the homeowner at 5:35:28.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
Dispatch, at this time I do believe it is a faulty sensor, but just going to have engine 6 respond. No lights and sirens, just engine 6 only, please.
That's Roger, car 3, you believe it's due to a faulty sensor, and you're requesting engine 6 respond no lights or sirens at 5:36:32.
Fire dispatching, show engine 6 responding to Foxtrot plus 5 belted.
That's Roger, engine 6 responding, Foxtrot plus 5 belted at 5:38:27.
Engine 6, car 3.
Go ahead, car 3.
Yeah, you got my message. You don't need any emergency warnings.
That is correct. We are responding code 1.
When you arrive here, just we'll need a toolkit. We got one in the main bedroom. Needs your place.
Roger that. Fire dispatching, show engine 6 arriving scene.
That's Roger, engine 6 is on scene at 5:40:14.
Fire dispatching, show Foxtrot in command. Command will be mobile.
That's Roger, Foxtrot in command, and command is mobile at 5:41:47.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
You can mark car 3 clearing the scene.
That's Roger, car 3, you're clearing scene at 5:48:58.
Can you also mark on that file dispatch that we will contact the building contractor who's made these quadplexes, because we've had multiple calls to these locations for faulty sensors.
That's Roger, car 3. You'd like to note it that you will contact the building contractors as multiple calls have been created due to these sensors at 5:49:35.
Fire dispatch, call command.
Command, go ahead.
After a sweep of the house, we found a faulty detector. We also did a sweep of the house with a tick. Nothing was found with it. The scene is released to the homeowner. Unit will be returning to fly station.
That's Roger, command. You did a sweep of the house with a faulty detector, and then you also took with the pick. Nothing found. Scene's been released to homeowner, and you're returning to station at 5:50:24.